In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on your Zoho invoice in just 5 minutes. Adding a logo not only helps elevate your brand's visibility, but also presents a more professional image to your clients. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you're logged into your Zoho Books account. This is crucial because you want to make sure that any changes you make are applied to the correct organization. If you're not logged in yet, no worries. Simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard, which is where we'll begin the process. Now direct your gaze towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the settings icon. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to a whole suite of options where you can manage your preferences and configurations. This is the area where you will find the tools to add your company's logo. With the settings menu open, it's time to shift your focus to the left sidebar. Under the Organization tab, you'll find a clickable option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your go-to for updating any of your organization's information, including uploading a new logo. Within the Profile section, look for the option that says Upload your organization logo. Clicking on this will open your computer's File Explorer. Here, you'll be able to navigate through your files to locate your company's logo image file. While doing this, make sure your logo is of high resolution and meets Zoho's dimension requirements. A crisp, clear logo not only looks great, but also helps in maintaining the professional look you're aiming for. Once you've pinpointed your desired file, click Open to upload it to Zoho. After selecting and uploading your logo, it's important to finalize your efforts by saving your changes. Simply click the Save button to ensure that your newly uploaded logo is now set as the official image for all future invoices. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, your logo is now added to Zoho Invoices, effectively enhancing your business's professional and consistent brand identity. It's a small touch that can make a big difference. Thanks for tuning in and happy invoicing.